So here's how to change language on ChatGPT. Before we start, keep in mind that you can do the same thing both from your app and the browser. First up, let's head over to the ChatGPT application. Once you're in, you will get to see an interface like this. Now tap on the menu icon on the top left corner. Over here, with the options, you will get to see a settings option. Tap on it. After that, tap on App Language. From here, tap on Language. You will then be taken to this page where you can scroll through and select whichever language that you want. For example, this one. Once you're done selecting, go back to the ChatGPT application. And as you can see, the language has changed. Everything on ChatGPT will now be in this language. This way, you can change it to whatever language that you want. And that's it. That is exactly how to change language in ChatGPT.